This is a demonstration of Cambridge Help Desk CHDCloud. It's a file sharing and backup tool that stores the files online in a secure location in the cloud, while also synchronizing them to multiple machines and devices such as an iPad or an iPhone. I'm just going to show you how it works. It's all been installed on this laptop. It's all ready to go and set up. Just need to go to Windows Explorer or File Manager or whatever you tend to call it. Just open up that window and you'll see the CHDCloud icon on the left. Double click and to review your files. We've created our own file structure here. You can create them how you like, and you can set permissions based on different levels of user access. So for example, you can exclude the finance folder and the HR folder, or salespeople can just look at sales and marketing and so on. Created a demo folder here which has got a few documents in. I'm just going to show how it synchronizes and changes. So just to show you, there's an icon down the bottom right hand corner here which shows that the system is running and gives you a number of options. What I'm going to do is just click on View Your CHDCloud Online. This is going to open up a web browser window and log me in to the actual online account. So here I can go straight to Share, and we'll see a copy of the same file structure that we have on the computer. If I open up the CHDCloud demo folder, you'll see that there's a number of documents in there that are the same as the ones on my computer. If I go back to my computer now, what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to change the name of this test Excel document, and I'm going to change it, and I'm just going to put demonstration. Okay, and now that's done in the background, because it's only a very small file, that's just uploading to the internet and that should be done. Now if I go back to my web browser, you can see it's still showing as the old name. All I need to do is just refresh this screen, open up the CHDCloud demo folder again, and you can see I've got the word demonstration. So I'm showing it on a basic level. The bigger the document, the longer it takes to upload, and it's also dependent on the level of broadband access you have. But in a nutshell, you update a document on your laptop, it copies to the cloud. Any other computers that you have on the same system, they will then retrieve the updated copy from the cloud and download them to their computers. You can also use this system on an iPad and an iPhone. I've got both of mine connected to the screen here now. If I open on the right hand side, you can see the icon in the middle is called Open Access. It's a black icon, and it's a free download from the Android and the App Store. Click on Open Access to open. You can see I get a small list of options. I'm going to click on Share at the top, and you'll see in Share the same file structure that we had on the computer and also online. Click on CHDCloud Demo, and you'll see down the bottom there, if I actually turn it the other way so you can view it, you can see Test Excel Document Dem. I'm going to open that one up, and you can see it says Demonstration at the top. There's no text in that document for the moment, but just you can notice here that it just says Demonstration. If I go over to the iPhone, click on Open Access, same view, click on Share, click on the folder there, and then again click on Test, and it shows you the demonstration folder. I'll turn. You can't really see that one because of the view there, but you can see that it just says Dem here. Should have chosen a slightly different name for that one. So that's pretty much how it works. Again, the way you would work in your day-to-day workings, you say, right, I've got a folder, I need to save it to this document, save it to this folder here. I'll choose a Word document, and I'll call it, let's call it Soccer. Save that document. Now that that's created, saved and closed, I can open something. I'll put some text into it. Just open up the Word document. I'll just put some text into it just so you can see that the data will go in and it will update onto the web. So we'll go test document data blah blah. What you need to do is make sure that when you close a document or when you save a document, you just close it. So that's saved. It's only a tiny little document, 12 kilobytes of data. Now if I go over to my online version, And again, just refresh the screen, go back into the CHDCloud, and you'll see that there's now a new document called soccer. And then if we open the soccer document, it's just being uploaded. Won't take long. It'll take a couple of seconds just to upload, but I'm just wanted to show that I'm actually doing this in real time, not in a demo environment where I'm uploading it and waiting and then showing it happening in real time. There's the actual document now. It's actually got it now, so we can just download that document. We can open it. This is from the web, by the way, again. So it's only taken a few minutes, and I'm actually opening this directly on the web. And this is the same way that you would open if you didn't have your computer and you just needed to borrow somebody else's computer. If I just show you on the iPad, we'll go back one just to refresh. Go to CHDCloud. There's the soccer document, and we just open it up, and there's the text. And it works pretty much the same way for the iPhone too. We'll just open up the iPhone. If I just refresh the page, go to there's the soccer document, there's the text. Okay, so that's pretty much how it works. There's an additional element to this product where you can you have a backup. There's a backup running in the background on your laptop, on each of your computers, PCs or laptops, and it will back up all of your important data, company data, whatever you want to select, pictures, photos, videos, and it will upload them, copy them to the cloud. As long as the computer is connected to the internet, the computer will be backing up and all of your files will be safe online. That's pretty much it. If there's any questions, please let us know. Thank you.